Good morning everyone. My name is Thong. I am a local birding guide in Phnom Penh city. Today I come here for my bird videography tour. So we will spot some of the migratory birds that they come to the city between September and October. Well, like in this video, I will show you some of my exciting birds that they just come to Phnom Penh city between September and October 2025. The first I want to show you is black-backed Kingfisher, or we call a black-backed Dwarf Kingfisher. This is my life first. Last year I missed to see him. But this year, very exciting for me that I can see him very well. I get a lot of photo and also I get a video from this bird as well. And next is a large-tailed Nightjar. Large-tailed Nightjar, I used to see him one time at Oral Mountain. It's a tallest peak in Cambodia. But luckily in this year, I can see a couple of them in near the city, near the Phnom Penh city. And very accommodated bird, so they sleep during the daytime, so we can get a video or we can get a photo from this kind of bird. It's plenty of them, plenty of photo, plenty of video from this beautiful bird. Well, another exciting for me as well is tiger Shrike. This is my first time to see in this year. Also, first time that I heard about this bird. Normally, I can see only the brown Shrike, and then I also heard Burmese Shrike in the forest or in the mountain. But very happy for me that I heard this year I can see the tiger Shrike near the Phnom Penh city. And then next year I also can see I get to see Yellow-rumped Flycatcher. But I used to see them a lot as well at the forest, at the mountain. And this year, near the Phnom Penh city, I also can spot two of them, male and female. But I got a video only the female Yellow-rumped Flycatcher. I get to see, we call black-capped Kingfisher, that I used to see him one time at Siem Reap near the Angkor Wat temple. But this year, I don't know why, I see plenty of Kingfisher, not only the black-capped Kingfisher. I saw also the black-backed Kingfisher. I also saw the white-throated Kingfisher. I also saw the collared Kingfisher. But very exciting for me, I can see the black-capped Kingfisher around the city. So I hope from November next month or December, I can see more migratory birds around the Phnom Penh city. That I plan to make a whole year video as well about the migratory bird come to the city from January until December. So I hope to see a new bird from next month or in November. Thank you very much for your watching this video. Hopefully you enjoy the view, and feel free to leave your comment in this video, and kindly to subscribe my channel. That kind also motivate me to make more video about the nature, about the bird, or about the wildlife in Cambodia. Thank you very much.